Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I bring you a 2002 Corvette Z06, 400 horsepower or whatever. Beautiful car. It's in fairly good shape. However, it has the markings on the surfaces. I did the clay block and washed it last night, and the paint was fully contaminated. It has some swirls, very fine, nothing crazy, but it still needs to get done. The front end, we're going to put the PPF, so I'm going to take it to one of our business partners that will do that. So I'm going to flip this around and show you what we have. Beautiful color. So to the car we go. Okay, and here she is inside. I did the clay block already, and I can see some hazing in some places. It's a Z06, 400 horsepower, 4.5. And a fun fact, there's no metal here. You can see here, we can read absolutely nothing. So we're gonna go with the Swerve Remover Pro X. I'm gonna start on the trunk here, see if I can do a 50-50. So we go. I had to turn the light off so you can see some of the markings right there. Yeah, hard to see because of the color, but to show you, but they're there right here. You see, and here we have some type of something happening there. Yeah, there we go. You can see it much better there. So we use that as a reference point because the rest is hard to capture. So yeah, let's go with the Swerve Remover. And a little bit on this side of the light imperfections right there, you can see. And we come into the transition. Beautiful. And just with this Swerve Remover, this guy, that guy, and a little splash of the waterless, you can clearly see the difference. So moving along quite good. Okay, and the Corvette Z06 fully done right here. So all the painted surfaces were polished. I put the boosted 2.0 from the door to the back. The front end is going to have some PPF. That's just with the Swerve Remover. Look at that craziness. That's just insane. Just with the Swerve Remover, one step. All the trim was done, wheels and tire with the T2 and the wheel cleaner deluxe. I ended up polishing the wheels slightly. They were in bad shape, so I polished them a little bit. The trim, as you saw, are restored. Glass polish all the way to the back. The back has the boosted, everything. Glass polish. I did the interior as well with the RP1, looking good. Very nice ride. Did the engine bay as well. So she's all done. I'm ready to go home. So I'll leave you with that. Until next time, check us online, turbowax.com.